Hello, KenKen Ben here, back for another KenKen puzzle. Um, so 8 or 9 for 17 plus. We've already used the 2, so it's got to be 1, 4. 1, 4, 8, 9, 2. So that can only be 3, 5, 7, which must include the 5. So 1, 4, 8, 9, 2, 5. So we've got 3, 6, 7. Obviously there's no 7 there. And we can't have 3 there. What else can we write here? Got an 8, 9 here. If that's 8, 9, then we can only have 3, 4, 5, 6. And we can't have 3 there, so that's 4, 5, 6, 8. Here we've got 6, 7, which means the 7 must be there on that 140. So we've got 4, 5, 8, 9, 8. So 9, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. All right. 1, 2, 3. This has to add up to 8. So best case, that's 3. So these two cells at most can be 5. So I'm just going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we've got 1, 2, 8, 9. Now we've got to have a 1 or a 2 here. Because it was 3, 4, we couldn't do that. We've got to have a 1 or a 2 here. So what I'm trying to say is there's no 1 or 2 over here, which means it must be 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the shortcut to look at these cells, there's 8 and 9 here. There's no other 8 and 9, so there's got to be an 8 or 9 in these two cells. So it's 5, 8 or 6, 9. Okay, this is 4, 5. So we can take out that 5, take out that 8. This is 1, 2, 4, 8. Now, because there's no 2 in that second column, there can't be a 2 here because it would have to be 2, 8, 2. And there's no 4, so we get that 1, 4, 8. And this is 1, 2, 4, 8. Let's have a look at this row. Actually, because we've got 4, 5 there, we can limit that to 1, 2, 6, 7. Now, because we've got a 6, 7 in those cells, and we've got a 6, 7 there, we can't have any other 6 or 7, which means that is 3. Now we've got 5, 7, that's 6. 6 and 15. It's going to be 6, 7, 8, 9. And there'll be no 9 there. All right, if that's 3, we've got 1, 2, 6, and 1, 6, 3. Except we've already said there can't be any more 6s. So we'll get rid of that, get rid of that. Now we've got 1, 2 there, and there's got to be 1, 2 in there. So we can get rid of any other 1, 2s, which makes that, I'll get it eventually, makes that an 8. So we'll get rid of that 8. We got rid of that 8, so that's get rid of that 5, so it's now 6, 9, which means we get rid of 2, 9, 6, 9, 1, 8, 7. There's no 6 there, and there'll be no 3 either. So we can get rid of 3, 6 from those two cells. Get rid of 1, 4. And we've got it's a total of 5. So that means we've got to have 3 with those two cells up there, which means it's got to be 1, 2, which means we make that one a 3. Now, because we've got 1, 4 here, we can't have 1, 4 there, because if we did, there would be no solution. So we are going to, in fact, say that is 2 8. So we're going to take out 1 4, which means we've got 2 8. When I say no solution, there'll be no unique solution, and that can't happen. So we're going to has to be 2 8 rather than 1 4. What else have we done there? 15 here. Is that 6 8? Yes, there's no 7 there. 1 2 6 7. So 1 2 6 7 in those 4 cells here, which makes that 9 6 7 6. That's 1 7. That has to be 2 3. Here we've got 5 6 9 now, and down here we've got 2 3. Now, because we've got 2 3, actually, before we say that, that can't be 5 because we've already used up the 5s in that row. So now we've got 4 6, which means there can't be a 3 or an 8 because it has to be 4 5 6. Can I just do that? Will that get rid of them? Yes, it does. This, by the way, 3 9, and this 1 3 9, which means we've used up the 3, so that is 2. So there's no 6 here, it has to be 5 9, which makes that 7 8. 2 3 7 8 5 9 can only be 1 6 4. We get 5 6 3 2 1 4 7 8 9. We write it here 1 4 7 8 9. So that would be 1 4 5 6. Okay, so that can't be 9. Okay, we could put some things in here. Again, if I can limit any cell to 4 possibilities, I'll do that. Okay, let's have a look here. Possibilities are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. Looks to me like it has to be 1, 6, 9. Sorry for that interruption. What have I done there? We take out that 3. It's got 9, 2, 3, 8. Okay. No, because I've got 1s in these 3 cells and 1s over here, there can't be any other 1s in those bottom 2 rows. So that can be 2, 4, or 3, 6. We'll take out that 4. Alright, there's got to be other stuff we can do here. Oh, we've got 1, 4 here. So this has to be 5 and this has to be 8. 5, 8, 5, 6, 2, 8, 3. So we've got 1, 4, 7, 9. One of them has to be 4 because there's no other 4s in that row. So we've got a 4 there, we've got a 3, so we need 11 from the other 2 cells, which means we can't have a 1. We could have 7, 4 or 9, 2. Okay. Alright. 294, just sort of talking to myself for a bit. 8329. Where else can we go? Well, obviously here. There's no 1 4. That's 9. That's 7. Okay. Now because I've taken out that 7, this can't be 4 because that will rely on 7 4. 7 7 4, yeah. So it has to be 2. So 5 and 13 take out that 7, so we can get 4, 9, and this becomes 3, 1, 7, 1. Now, this whole row, like every other row and every other column, adds to 45. So we've got 6, 8, we've got 16, gives us 24, we've got 8, gives us 32, so we need another 13. And how we can do that is 6, 7. So that's 3, 4, 9. That one must be the 3. We've got a 4 here, got a 1, I've got a 5, a 4, a 5, a 2, a 4, a 5, a 6. Feeling pretty confident now, unless I've done something wrong, in which case I'll delete it and you'd never hear that comment. 5, 4, 5. That has to be 9, 7, 1, 6, 9. That's 8, 6. What have we got here? 1, 3. That's got to be 7, 6, 1, 9, 4, 5, 6, 5, 7, 1, 6, 8, 1, 4, 1, 9, 8, 4, 9. Add all these up. Now we've got 4, 5, 3, 2.